Guys, may bago na naman halimaw ang TECNO. Ito ang POVA 6 Pro. Ngayon, kilala natin ang TECNO na nag-o-offer ng really bang for the buck phones na to the point na minsan nagtataka talaga kung kumikita pa sila. But anyway, the POVA 6 Pro is one of the best budget phones for gaming that we've tested and used. Ang ganda ng design niya, may mga features siya na hindi mo mahanap sa ibang telepono. And today, we are going to take a look at the phone, at the features, and also the box that it comes with, kung ano yung collaboration nila with Farlight 84. So itong si TECNO, talagang pinandigan nila ang gaming aesthetic nila para sa POVA Pro series nila. So this is pretty much the same as the POVA 5 Pro, pero may mga talagang aggressive enhancements to really make it into a gamer look or yung gamer aesthetic na hinahabol nila. So yung pinaka-obvious na makikita mo is yung dynamic light mini LED effect. So basically may dalawang zone sa likod, yung bilog tapos yung parang cross sa gilid niya. These are both customizable. Pwede mo siyang baguhin depending on what you want. Kung may calls ka, kung may tawag. It kind of reminds us yung parang yung glyph effect ng Nothing phone. So the rest of the body is very unashamedly gamer. May makikita kang malaking high-density battery, 6,000 mAh label dun sa lower right side ng phone. And also the words TECNO POVA on the body of the phone. Hindi niya tinatago na gaming phone siya. Hindi, yung design niya, hindi talaga for everybody. Talagang it's very polarizing. Kung mahilig ka sa very loud, very flashy designs, yung POVA 6 Pro definitely is for you. So personally, hindi ako masyadong mahilig sa mga loud and obnoxious designs for phones, pero I respect the engineering that went to the POVA 6 Pro kasi ang nipis niya for a phone that has a 6,000 mAh battery. I think this is under 8mm yung overall thickness niya, and I think this is the only phone in the world. I could be wrong, pero feeling ko talaga this is the only phone in the world that is thinner than 8mm that has that much battery. So, ang galing mo, TECNO, kudos to you. So, alam mo, buwisit na buwisit ako sa mga budget phones na may malalaking 6,000 mAh battery. Tapos yung charger niya, sobrang bagal. Hindi ito yung case para dito sa phone na to. I'm very surprised. Meron siyang 70-watt fast charging. Ito na ata yung pinakamabilis na fast charging speed for a phone na nasa price range niya. Ang ganda talaga ng combination ng specs and ng features ng tong phone na to. And it's just gonna keep getting better as we talk more about the phone. So katulad ng sinabi ko, paganda yung mga features ng phone na to as we go through all of them. So the next up in line is the display. So it's a 6.78-inch OLED display. Ang nipis ng bezels niya, left, right, up, and down. Sobrang nipis. 2160 PWM dimming, 120Hz refresh rate, at meron siyang fingerprint scanner na nasa in-display na. So, hindi ganun kataas ang expectations ko sa display na tong particular phone na to because it is a budget phone. Pero, you know what? I was very pleasantly surprised. Ang ganda ng color saturation niya, very punchy colors, at ang taas ng brightness din. Kahit nasa gitna ka ng araw, kitang-kita mo pa rin yung display. Widevine L1 din, so you can see glorious Full HD and 4K sa Netflix, walang problem. So, siguro yung biggest weakness sa tong phone na to is the cameras, as is with most gaming phones. So, the primary camera, 108 megapixel sensor. Sounds good, no? Meron siyang filler na 2 megapixel depth sensor. Meron din siyang AI camera. So, meron ka lang 108 megapixel because yung dalawa talagang nilagay lang nila doon para masabi ng triple camera. So, meron ka rin 32 megapixel camera sa harap. The cameras are fine. Makakakuha ka ng matinong photos pag may araw pa, pero pag pababa, less light, the less light you have, the crappier your images are gonna be. And that's alright. You're not gonna be buying this phone to shoot photos, right? You're buying this because gusto mo maglaro ng games nang hindi ka masyadong gumagastos ng pera. That dovetails nicely into the next part of the phone, which is the processor. Oh, ito na yung main event, processor. The POVA 6 Pro has a 6080 MediaTek processor, 12GB of RAM, and 256GB of expandable storage. So alam naman natin yung MediaTek 6080, this is a 5G capable processor, and it's a fairly capable processor for what it is and the price that you get. So sa Firelight 84 and also sa PUBG, you can run it on balanced high. You're gonna hit around 40 frames per second. Very smooth. Smooth naman yung gameplay na nagagamit namin siya. Maganda talaga yung processor kasi kayang-kaya mo maglaro ng the entire day. Hindi masyadong umiinit. Mainit siya, hindi ko sinasabing hindi siya umiinit. Pero hindi siya super init na makaka-apekto na siya sa gameplay or matathrottle yung game mo. Paano naman tong phone na to pag naglalaro ka na ng mas demanding na games like Genshin Impact? Actually, it's pretty okay. You keep the settings at medium para around 40 FPS to 40 to 50 FPS yung makuha mo. Pero realistically, you're only going to get around 40. But that's fine. 6080 processor for what you are paying for. Okay na yun. Smooth pa rin yung gameplay mo. Hindi naman ganun ka-problemado yung games mo or yung lag. Kayang-kaya pa rin ng phone na to. Yung resolution na yun at yung graphics setting na yun. Paano naman sa Star Rail? Well, it's pretty much the same as Genshin Impact. Keep the settings at medium. Kayang-kaya niya, pero don't expect to be able to crank it up to high nang hindi siya nag-slow down. Actually, yun yung best eh. Pero actually, for the price that you're paying, super solid na yun. Yung medium settings na yun, that's more than enough to get you through a match. Mura-mura lang, di ba? Parang super solid na yun. Yung ibang phones nga, hindi nga kaya ng ganun ka-smooth eh. So, software naman. Good news and bad news. Good news. First phone from TECNO na nagamit namin na naka-Android 14. Oh, galing TECNO. Bad news. Punong-puno pa rin siya ng bloatware pagka-bukas mo at pagka-install. So, it's really a thing with a lot of Chinese manufacturers na maraming bloatware talaga yung telepono nila. I don't particularly understand bakit hindi nila pwedeng bawasan yun, tanggalin yun. It doesn't really matter kung mura or mahal yung telepono mo. Just take a look at Xiaomi. Ganun din yung telepono nila, di ba? Even the Android Xiaomi 14 has a lot of bloatware already pre-installed. It's the same thing with this, pero at least ito medyo mas masisikmura mo kasi it is a budget phone. So, the good news or what's positive about that is dahil sobrang laki ng storage space mo, you don't really mind. It's going to be a lot bigger of a concern kung mas maliit yung storage mo kung 64 lang yan, 128 gig. Thankfully, 256 gig and most of the bloatware that is in here you can uninstall. So there is that. So anyway, the TECNO POVA 6 Pro. Nagamit pa lang namin to for around a week. It's very short time. Pero from what we can see with the short time that we have it, ang sulit niya. Ang ganda ng processor. Maganda yung design. If you are a gamer, I like this is a little weird yung ilaw-ilaw niya sa likod. Pero you know what? At least unique siya, di ba? Hindi lahat ng phones may ganito. The only other one that I know of is the ROG phone, and that's super duper expensive, di ba? Mahal siya. Pero so, this is very nice. Yung 6,000 mAh battery, ang laking bagay nun, plus the 70-watt fast charging. Ang kunat ng battery niya, plus yung 6080 processor niya nasa loob, ang kayang-kaya niya yung mga regular games na nilalaro ng mga tao. Mobile Legends, walang-wala yan. So, I guess the only issue that I have here, like I mentioned, is the camera. Hindi siya ganun kaganda. Pero again, you're not buying a gaming phone for the camera. And also, the software. Hindi ko rin alam yung software update schedule ni TECNO, kung gaano sila kadalas mag-update ng software. At ang daming pre-installed na bloatware. So the other problem is very easily fixed. Uninstall na lang yung software na install nila. The other one, the software updates, dun talaga tayo makakatalo. Pero, for what we expect this phone to retail for, to be clear, hindi pa namin alam kung ano yung price niya. We're expecting it to not go above 11,000 pesos. We would be very surprised if they sell it for above that price. Kasi alam naman natin, sobrang aggressive ni TECNO ngayon sa pagpepresyo ng mga telepono. So, if this retails under 11,000 pesos at naghahanap ka ng budget gaming phone, ito na yung bilhin mo. Wala lang tanong-tanong, bilhin mo na lang. So, yun. So, that's pretty much it. That is our hands-on and first impressions of the TECNO POVA 6 Pro. We're going to be taking a deeper look into it and reviewing it for the website. Please watch out for our review. Click on the links down below. Our socials are there. We're going to be in the Barcelona Mobile World Congress this week. So keep an eye on the channel. May mga videos kaming lalabas for you. That's pretty much it. My name is John. Peace out.